Every electrician knows the feeling. You're on a job, you reach for your meter, and you need it to be accurate, fast, and tough. The right tool can save time and prevent mistakes. Today, we're counting down the best multimeters for electricians you can find on Amazon right now. First up is the Fluke 117, a trusted choice for working electricians. This meter is compact, sturdy, and designed for real-world job sites. It features non-contact voltage detection, so you can quickly identify live wires without adding extra steps. The True RMS capability ensures accurate readings even in environments with noisy electrical signals, which is common in commercial or industrial jobs. DIY homeowners appreciate its simple interface, while professionals trust it for daily work. Its durable body can handle drops, bumps, and the rough handling of a toolbox. In multimeter reviews, the Fluke 117 consistently earns high marks for reliability and accuracy. If you're looking for the best multimeter for electricians that balances performance with ease of use, the Fluke 117 is a solid first choice. Next is the Amprobe AM570, a meter designed with industrial settings in mind. It's rugged and versatile, making it popular among trade workers who deal with high-demand environments. It offers true RMS accuracy, a backlit display for low-light areas, and extra safety ratings that give confidence when working with higher voltages. Electrical engineering students will also appreciate how user-friendly it is, providing professional-level features without being intimidating. The Amprobe's design is ergonomic, with clearly labeled buttons and a durable case that holds up to daily fieldwork. In multimeter reviews, it's often praised for offering advanced features at a fair price. If you're an electrician or trade professional who needs something tough enough for industrial use but straightforward for everyday troubleshooting, the Amprobe AM570 is one of the best multimeters on Amazon. Third is the Klein Tools auto-ranging multimeter. Klein has long been a favorite brand for electricians, and this model is no exception. It's ideal for both professionals and DIY homeowners. Auto-ranging makes it especially user-friendly. You don't need to dial in specific ranges, which saves time when troubleshooting. For electricians, it offers accuracy and durability, two must-haves in the field. The rugged build and protective casing ensure it holds up against accidental drops or rough handling. It also includes features like temperature measurement and a clear, easy-to-read display. In multimeter reviews, users often highlight Klein Tools for being dependable at a competitive price point. If you're on the hunt for the best multimeter for electricians that balances simplicity with professional-grade reliability, the Klein Tools auto-ranging multimeter is a great option to consider. Next, we have the Fluke 323 clamp meter. This one stands out because it's not your standard multimeter. It's a clamp-style meter designed for quick current measurements without disconnecting wires. Electricians love it for speed and safety. It measures AC current, voltage, and resistance, making it versatile for many tasks. The slim design makes it easy to carry in a tool bag and use in tight spaces. DIY homeowners and students also appreciate how straightforward it is to operate. Built with Fluke's usual durability, it's a reliable tool for both light troubleshooting and professional-level electrical work. In multimeter reviews, the Fluke 323 often shines as a must-have companion tool. If you want one of the best multimeters for electricians with added safety and convenience, the Fluke 323 is a top pick. Last on the list is the Ideal 61-357 multimeter. This handheld meter is designed for both pros and learners, offering reliability without overcomplicating things. Electricians like it for residential and light commercial jobs, where dependable readings are essential. It features auto-ranging, a backlit screen, and solid safety ratings, making it versatile for different environments. Electrical engineering students will find it approachable, while DIY homeowners enjoy its simplicity. Its rugged build means it can handle being tossed in a toolbox or dropped on the floor without breaking. In multimeter reviews, users often highlight ideal products for offering professional features at a fair cost. If you're looking for the best multimeter on Amazon that's both practical and durable, the Ideal 61-357 is a smart addition to your toolkit. So, those are the top 5 best multimeters for electricians available on Amazon. From trusted names like Fluke and Klein, to value-packed options like Ideal and Amprobe, each offers accuracy, safety, and durability. Whether you're a pro, a student, or a DIYer, the right multimeter makes every job easier.